I'm just gonna do this with it on and plugged in and everything. Okay. Oh, we got Flappy Rippy there. He's a little friend of mine called the Metal Zone. Here's a little trick. You turn everything up. What's happening? Today, I'm going to be playing this little Ibanez here. It's got the little pickups on it or whatever. Just a passive little Ibanez solid body. Here's the amp. It's a Glary. It's a little Glary amp that comes with these little crappy kits. But yeah, this kind of thing is perfect for experimenting on, and it's nothing fancy, so no harm done here, poking holes in something like this, but just taking off the screws, getting into this little puppy. Oh, whoa. Wow. This thing's made out of cardboard.
See if we get same reaction with you. Yep. It's made out of sawdust and cardboard. Just glued together with helmet glue. But that's where the tone comes from.
But we're going to see how far we could push this thing, what kind of distorted sounds we can get on the cheap, and see what we can do. Puppy off. Alright, look at this. Wow. Okay.
It's like cracked this.
We're just going to start with a couple little holes. So, there we go. There's one. And two. We're just going to start with 2 holes and see how it sounds. Okay. So, let's just keep this all at noon on the EQ side. Keep everything level. I'm just gonna do this with it on and plugged in and everything. Okay. There's another one. There's another one. Oh, okay. And one more. So now we're at 6 holes. Well, I'll do one up here too. So now we're at 7 holes. Now, I'm keeping it as the same settings as I left it on last. This is with 7 holes. Okay, time for some more holes here. So, let me just, yeah, need some more there. Okay, a couple more here, and one more right there. I say it needs more holes though. Alright, we're not gonna even shy away from the fact that we're gonna be putting an incredible amount of holes in this thing now. So, oh, we got Flappy Rippy there. So that could really influence our sound. The whole cone is ripped on that side. So that's good. Oh, we got it here too. Here, I'll show you a little closer. Okay, this is pretty much destroyed now. So we have, this is, oh yeah. Okay, well, I don't know if I can really add more holes to this without it just coming off entirely. Oh, look, we got a little flappy. So let's see what we got now. Okay, this is the glary. Now that it is pretty much all ripped up, the cone is pretty much destroyed. Now let's see what we got now. She's a rattling for sure. Well, I don't really know where we go from here other than just ripping the whole cone out in a way. So at this point, this cone is no longer attached to the outer speaker ring. It's just all flappy. Let's see what this sounds like. All right, this is the speaker cone pretty much destroyed. Let's see if we can fix this.
This is our mangled speaker cone.
As you can see, it's pretty much nothing.
And with the power of movie magic, we now are back to an unripped speaker. So we can try using distortion pedals instead and see what kind of differences in the distortion we find. So the S1 here, we'll have the tone up, level in the middle, and we'll bring the distortion up. Let's see what happens if we just crank everything in the EQ section with everything up here. I got a little something else I want to try. So, this is a little friend of mine called the Metal Zone. And here's a little trick. You turn everything up to turn into a
Turbo metal zone.
You can have a lot of fun with that. So let's just bring in this, and it's got dust on it. Okay, what will happen? Metal Zone all the way up, going into this glary. Okay. Oh, the volume's all the way down. I can already hear it. Oh, hello. That's touchy. So now we need to scoop the mids. Just blistering. Okay. I think we got our fill of that.
Slappy lippy.
So, in conclusion, ripped up speaker cone distortion versus distortion pedals. What do I think? What sounds better? Well, honestly, I think it all sounds like